Hi, this is Ahmed from Loop Project Systems, and today I'm going to be going over this customer support and communication system that I built in n8n. The team built it in n8n, and this system is basically for more efficient customer support and communications from your business to the customer. So this will help improve your relations with your customer, and this will automatically alert your team too. So today I'll be going over this whole system. It's a customer support system. It can be really useful for medium-sized businesses who are mostly on technical side and have a lot of communication from the customers. This system can handle, uh, for example, uh, you sold a digital product or a service to a customer, and now they're having some sort of a problem with the system, now some sort of a problem with your product, whether it's a sales team problem, a billing problem, a technical problem, or whatever the problem is, that can be customized according to the needs of your business. So this system will help you. So if they have a problem in any of your services, they can just send you an email, and then the system will do what it's supposed to do, and it will send them back an email that your problem will be. The email can obviously be customized to whatever level you need the email to be customized, and then it will also send Slack messages and create records in Airtable for customer support tickets. So I'll be going over this whole system today. So as you can see, we have the first two nodes of the system. The first node is an email trigger. It's an IMAP. This node listens to emails, this node listens for emails to the connected account. It will trigger the whole system as soon as it receives a new email. Then the data from that, obviously it's IMAP node, so it will pull a lot of JSON fields. Maybe only want some JSON fields. So through the set node, which is the next node, the purple one with the purple node, it's a set node. It's used to extract the data from the email which you want to use in the following nodes. So you just extract that data, and then it'll send it through to the following node. It will only extract the data that we need. We can customize whatever data we want to select. We can customize whatever data we want extracted, so we'll only select the specific data every single time. Right now, the email, I've pinned the email so I don't have to run it again and again. This is the email. I'm having problems with the invoice. It isn't going through. For example, this is the email a client sent you. They're having problem with an invoice. So later in the demonstration, I'll show you the demonstration of this whole system. This is a send email node. It will just send the client a personalized email assuring them that their problem is being worked on, and the team will get back to them in some time. Or you can customize the email however you want it to be customized, but it's for the reassurance of the client that we use a send email node just to send them an email back that the project is being worked on or their problem is being worked on. Now the data which the set node pulled from the email is going to go to the basic LLM chain, which is connected to Google Gemini chat model. The AI will read the problem or the query of the client, so it will basically read the email, and then the LLM chain or the AI will decide if it's a problem for the sales team, the technical team, or the billing team. The LLM chain will decide. Then obviously if you have more departments, it can be customized. This is just a template. It can be customized to whichever length you need to be customized for your own business. So the AI will decide which team to refer the problem or the email to. Then we have the next section of this automation, which is to send a Slack message. This part of the automation is to send a Slack message to the designated team to handle the problem of the client. So basically, there's a switcher node. So the basic LLM chain is decided if the email or the problem of the client is a billing problem, a technical problem, or a sales problem. Now that data will be passed on to the switch node. The switch node decides which of the three teams to send the Slack message by using the keyword the LLM chain gave. So there are three separate Slack nodes, as you can see, because each node has a different channel. One is for sales, one is for the billing team, and one is for sales team. So the switch node will decide. Okay, so the LLM chain said it's a billing problem, so I'll send the email, or I'll send the customized Slack message to the if the LLM chain decided that it's a sales problem, the switch node will send the customized Slack message to the sales channel in Slack, so the sales team can be alerted that there is a new that a client is having a problem with their sales, so I need to help them. or if it's a technical problem, the switch will send the switcher node will send a customized Slack message into the Slack channel for the technical team, so the technical team can be alerted that a client is facing a problem and they need to solve the problem. So that's what this section of the automation does. So this is the next section of the automation. It's also like the Slack part of the automation. This part of the automation creates a record of the client's problem, name, email, and which team it's assigned to in Airtable. It will create a record depending on which team the problem is referred to. The switcher routes the record to be created in three different nodes. It decides which one to create by the keyword the LLM chain gives. So basically, if it's a sales problem, uh, I'll actually show you the Airtable base. This is a Airtable base. The subject of the email, the customer email, the body of the email, the assigned team, and the received date time, and it issues a unique ticket ID to every client. This will be shown in more detail when I show you the demonstration of the system. That's what this part of the automation does. It creates an Airtable record. So now I will move on to showing you the demonstration of how this automation works, how the system works. So now I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of how this whole system works. Currently, the IMAP node or the email trigger node has a pinned email assigned to it. Basically, it's acting as a pulled email. The email is for the email is that someone is having trouble with their invoice and the payment isn't going through. So now I'm going to execute this workflow. It's executing. It's sending the email back. The basic LLM chain is running right now. It's creating the record. It's also created a record. The automation is done. Now I'll show you the Airtable base. It takes a few. Okay. Let it refresh. So here's our unique ticket ID. I've ran this automation multiple times before, so obviously it'll show a higher number right now. If the subject is support, that the customer needs support, this is the customer email, and this is the body. We can actually open it up and going through, and the assigned team automatically assigns the team also, so it was the billing team. And now let's check our Slack. Yes, there's a client who needs help with billing. The relevant information is in the Airtable base. So for example, this is your Slack channel for your billing team. The billing team will receive a message that there is a new client who needs help with billing, and the relevant information is in the Airtable base. Now I'll also show you another quick demonstration, but this time with a technical email, a customer who needs technical help. We also got the email, the problem we are facing, this is the problem the client is facing and will be fixed in 24 hours. So you can basically customize the email however what you want to be customized or personalized. That's not an issue. And now I'll be showing you another demonstration of this automation. So here you can see for the next demonstration, I've sent myself another email, and I'll actually pin this data so it runs with this email. Obviously, when this whole system is in production, you don't need to do all this. It'll just run automatically without any human intervention. Right now, the email is the workflow broke down and it isn't working the way it's supposed to be working. I need support immediately as I'm losing leads. This is an email a client would send you if if the product you sold them broke down and they need support. So now let's execute this workflow. The chain is on. It sent the Slack mail and it created the Airtable record. Let's check the sticker ID 21, subject support. This is the customer email. This is the body. And it's automatically some technical support, and they received that time. And you can also see there's a client. The client needs help with technical support. Please check the Airtable for the relevant. This would be your Slack channel for your technical team or your engineering team. So that's how this whole. I'll actually show you the email too. Here, the problem is facing the workflow broken in 24 hours. The client will also get an email automatically sent to them. So this is how this whole system works. I hope you like the system, and I'll see you in the next video with another system.